grandson with a dog collar? Don't have a grandson with a dog collar? Get rid of cable and upgrade to DirecTV. Call 1-800-DirecTV.
I joined Match because
I'm a single dad.
I'm new to the area.
Just tired of the bar scene.
It's hard to meet someone when you're always working.
I want to try something new.
Match.com. More dates, more relationships, and more marriages than any other site. I thought, why not start for free today?
You can't keep spending money you don't have.
Relax.
Something will turn up.
You're living in a dream world. Money doesn't just fall from the sky.